Hello friends, how are you doing today? I'm your Ramandeep Singh, your host of your favorite channel, IELTS Coaching. I'm back with a very important update for you, and that is I have brought a very interactive and a useful test that is going to help you in your IELTS reading. So before I actually start my today's video, I request you to please subscribe my channel. And if you are watching my video for the very first time, make sure you explore this channel a bit. There are hundreds of videos on almost everything that you need related to IELTS. As I said, this video is about IELTS reading module, and I am going to help you to handle one of the most difficult aspects of this reading test. No doubt, MCQs or multiple choice questions are little difficult to handle when it comes to the IELTS reading test. Academic students find them very difficult because the complexity level of these questions is much higher than any other question type. I'm sharing few of the links that I have already uploaded related to these type of questions, but in this video I would like to tell you once again, the only and the best strategy is that once you read the question, understand it really well. Do not move on and read the options, otherwise you will get confused. Then move into the reading text part, read the information, try to understand it really well, and then compare the information what you have understood by reading the passage, then get back to the question and compare the information that you have read in the text and compare it with the options given. One by one, eliminate the wrong or incomplete options. Only then you will be able to get to the correct option. In this video, I would like to tell you that we have uploaded a couple of tests on our IELTS coaching application. If you have not downloaded it yet, go ahead. This is the IELTS coaching application, which you will be able to download on Google Play Store, or if you are an Apple user, you need to download CLASSPLUS app and enter the code IELTS. Once you have this application, there is a reading section. Most material is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. And in this reading section, you will find this link that is related to reading MCQs or reading multiple choice questions. There are a couple of tests. Each test contains 10 questions. Attempt these and you will get to know how brilliant you are when it comes to the MCQs. If you find difficulty, I'm always there to help you out. So why don't you download this application if you have not downloaded it yet? And if you already have, hit this and get your scores and figure out how well you understand reading MCQs. And for your ease, there is a link in the description that you can click to download this application. And if you really like the content in this application, please let me know. Once again, I must tell you, this part or this section of this application is not paid at all. It's free. It might show you 5 rupees as a charge, but simply click on it as the content inside is entirely free, so you don't have to pay anything for it. That's pretty much all from my side now. And I'm Ramandeep Singh. Say goodbye. Take care.